Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Avalanche from Arculus Wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're holding AVAX in your Arculus Wallet and want to move it to Uphold for easier management or trading, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will have you transferring your assets smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Arculus Wallet app installed on your device, with your AVAX tokens ready to go. Also, ensure your Uphold account is verified and active. Uphold is a user-friendly platform for crypto storage and exchanges, so double-check that. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and navigate to the dashboard. Locate your AVAX balance. It should be under your assets list. If you don't see it, confirm that your wallet is connected to the Avalanche network. Next, head over to your Uphold account. Log in, go to the wallet section, and select AVAX. You'll need to copy your Uphold AVAX wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful to get it right to avoid any mix-ups. Now, back in Arculus, select the AVAX you want to transfer. Hit the Send or Transfer button. Paste in the Uphold wallet address and enter the amount. Don't forget to double-check everything. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Before confirming, review the transaction fees. Avalanche transactions are usually fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Once you're good, hit confirm and wait for the network to process it. This should only take a minute or two. Finally, hop back to Uphold and refresh your account. Your AVAX should appear shortly. If it doesn't, give it a bit more time or check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And there you have it. Your AVAX is now in Uphold. Remember, always prioritize security when dealing with crypto. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.